Hi, good morning. I hope everybody is doing okay. This is Marie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a mini haul. Well, we came from Jewel and from Butera, so we bought a few things and diretso na sa mini haul. And also after that, pakita ko rin sa inyo yung aming lunch. Although hindi pa kami kumain ng breakfast, so that's our brunch. Yung pho. So, proceed muna tayo sa mini haul.
Yung 1 dozen large eggs from Jewel. And then yung simply potatoes, shredded hash browns. Yung butter natin, Lucerne Dairy Farms, unsalted. And then yung pagkain ni Buddha, tender and true, dalawa. And meron tayong Gilbert's Aloha Chicken Sausage. Ito ay with pineapple, ginger, and brown sugar. Then, meron tayong Reese's Main Street Bistro na baked macaroni and cheese. And then, Reese's Main Street Bistro roasted garlic and rosemary potatoes. So, yun lang naman.
Next, these are all from Butera. Banana peppers, red onions, farm fresh, and Buddha's fruit. Purina Beyond Ocean Whitefish, Salmon, and Sweet Potato recipe. And grain-free siya, so it's good for Buddha. Also, no corn or wheat or soy, no poultry byproducts, no artificial preservatives, colors, flavors as well. So pakita ko sa inyo yung aming lunch Vietnamese pho. Kain tayo guys! Medyo malamig kasi, so yun ang naisipan namin pagkain ngayon. And also since yun nga madalian, di na namin kayo naisama. So, ito yung aming lunch Vietnamese pho. Kain tayo guys! Mamaya nga pala after this lunch, siguro tatakbo muna kami sa Walmart to try and see kung makaka-pair ng aking glasses or gusto ko sanang ipapalit yung frame. And yeah, tignan namin kung magagawa namin ngayon. And kain na muna and then proceed tayo guys. Kain tayo guys. This is from Gogoji Pho Soup. Sarap guys. We're here at Walmart Vision Center. Para sana mapalitan yung aking eyeglass frame, but they don't have the exact frame and they want me to take a checkup, but they don't have any available days for appointment because it's fully booked na sila for the whole month. Medyo nakakagulat lang, pero it's okay. Hello everybody! Lakad-lakad sa labas, malamig. Pero 70s. Pero maganda, okay lang. There's hubby and then Buddha. Dito ko na siya ng konti. Ang kitab ko. Sumama ako maglakad ngayon kasi medyo one of those days na alam yun, you need of a lift. So, yeah, maglakad-lakad tayo. Oh look, I found some pine cones. Mamaya, ay, against the light. Siguro mamaya ko na lang babalikan yung pine cones kung nandun pa. Okay, ito sa inyo yung Kain tayo guys. So, after nung pagkain and then tutuloy ko na lang guys. Mongolian beef for dinner guys. This is also from Gogoji. Kain tayo guys. Guys, pasensya na hindi ko agad kayo na naituloy. Medyo naging busy ako. Marami akong ginawa. So, anyway, pakita ko sa inyo yung aming midnight snack. So, may nagutom at tumakbo ng Taco Bell. Kain tayo guys. This is Taco Bell cravings. So guys, end ko na tong video. I hope you enjoyed the video for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you had fun. Until my next video. Bye!